Claude AI versus GitHub Copilot. Which one is better for generating code or writing smart content? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Claude AI and GitHub Copilot, two of the top AI tools developers and creators are using right now, so you can pick the one that fits your workflow best. Let's start with Claude AI, made by Anthropic. Claude is great at understanding context, having real conversations, and helping with logic-heavy tasks. You can chat with it like a person, ask it to explain code, fix bugs, or even draft emails and articles. It's not just for coding, it's built for thinking. Now let's talk about GitHub Copilot. Copilot is more like your coding sidekick, built to autocomplete lines, suggest functions, and speed up your work inside your editor, like VS Code. It doesn't chat as well as Claude, but when you're deep in code, it feels like magic. Just type a comment and watch it write actual working code. So which one is better? If you want help explaining, debugging, or building logic before you code, go with Claude AI. If you're already in your editor and want real-time code suggestions, GitHub Copilot might be your move. Both are super useful, just used in different ways depending on what stage of the process you're in. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.